Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix Hinge Creak sound on Motorola Razr AR70 Plus. First, take a microfiber cloth and clean the hinge area to remove any debris that might cause creaking. Then fold your phone and also clean this area. You can use Q-tips or wooden sticks for that. Next, unfold your phone again and use compressed air to blow into the hinges to clear out any stuck debris. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.